Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing my fondant recipe. This is me prepping all my ingredients and equipment on the table: my icing sugar, my CMC, my glucose, my gelatin, my teaspoon, my tablespoon, my plate. So first I will be sieving my icing sugar in a bowl to get a smoother powder, because not all icing sugar comes with a smoother powder. They can stay too long in the store and then it starts having crumbs. So this is me sieving my icing sugar for a smoother powder. Done sieving my sugar, set it aside and went ahead to measure my glucose. 1 tablespoon of glucose. Glucose can be very sticky, so I have to clean every part of the glucose out of the spoon, and then I went ahead to measuring my gelatin. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of gelatin for this recipe, since I'm working with 1 kg of icing sugar. So I'm measuring in my water. You can use half cup of water. Just in case you don't have a measuring cup, this is another method for you to be trying on your fondant recipe. I use 8 tablespoons of water, which is equivalent to 125 grams, half cup of water. Need a quick stir to be smooth before taking it to a double boil. So here I'm adding in my CMC to my sugar. I'm bringing in my glucose mixture to a double boil. I'll be stirring that for 1 minute till it's very smooth and light. I'm stirring it for it to cool off a little bit before adding it to my mixture, and I'm adding it on interval because I don't want to pour everything inside. Please note, I'm putting my glucose mixture on interval because not all icing sugar are actually the same. That's why it's important to pour in your mixture little at a time. On this level, you will have to mix your fondant till it's molded in the bowl before transferring it to your work surface. If you find out your fondant is still very strong, add a little bit of water and continue kneading inside your bowl, just like I'm doing here. This is where the work is, where you will have to knead your fondant to be very smooth and stretchy on your work surface. You will want to knead your fondant to make sure it is very smooth and perfectly stretchy. So guys, this is how your fondant will be looking after following the necessary method. This fondant is actually perfect for all weather. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.